guys, I haven't been vlogging in a while, but today I want to vlog, and I just did core power yoga, which I try to do 6 to 7 times a week, and I'm just so sore right now, and it's so good. And I'm on my way to Whole Foods to pick up my regular ginger juice and shots, and I'm gonna try not to eat any Wendy's this week, so let's hope that is so possible. So the mask mandate is still here in Colorado, so I'm wearing masks to get inside the store.
I'm coming in with the fire that's so unstoppable. I'm taking off, 'cause I'm all I got. And when I'm in my head, I lift it up instead. We gotta beat the game. Where my girls at tonight? Learning to trust ourselves, 'cause we are schooling life. We gotta beat the game. Where my girls at tonight? Learning to trust ourselves. That's all we need in life.
So I got my food for the week since I go to work now. So I got my juices. And I got some flowers for the front door since I've been decorating the front door a lot. Since the house needs to look pretty. So now is the first weekend of October, and I'm driving home now, and this is on a tripod, so don't worry, I'm paying attention and being safe. I just want to do a chit chat real quick and squeeze it in this vlog since I'm vlogging already. I've been back at work for the first week of October since the kids finally go back to school. I mean, like just Aiden, not Eliza. My husband still working from home, and I just decided to go back to work because I'm just gonna be wasting my driver if I don't go back to work. So I decided to do that, and then I was thinking to start back up onto my healthy eating because I've been snacking a lot and eating a lot at home, and it's not healthy. And I'm not gonna lie, it's so annoying to see that scale that bump back to the weight that I was trying to struggle before we got canceled in our trip in Hawaii. So right now I'm on 134. I was 124 before Hawaii, and I was aiming for 120. I'm only 5'1", so it only makes sense for me to lose weight and not be sick and not be diabetic or whatever, things like that. So I decided to gonna do a juice cleanse this week, maybe Monday and Tuesday, just 2 days to reset, and then probably just go back onto a healthy eating diet. It's hard to say no on food, as you can see, like I gained 10 pounds. So anyway, I want to film this journey and just be back on track, because if I film, I notice I eat better since I'm getting accountable of what I am doing. So that is the good part about it. And then just enjoying full colors, I guess. So I'll see you guys on my drive home.
And right, the touch you feel me cannot stop me, got that fight, and you keep looking down while I keep climbing up. I'm coming in with that fire, come get you closer, closer. I'm taking all, closer. 1, 2, 3. We gotta beat the game. Where my girls at tonight? Learning to trust ourselves, 'cause we are schooling life. We gotta beat the game. Where my girls at tonight? Learning to trust ourselves. That's all we need in life.
setup I have right now. Got a little thing, and then I put the flowers right there. And there's my skeletons. Okay, I'm back home and I'm making pepperoni pizza for the kids. So that's their lunch today.
Is that the pepperoni I buy?
Yep.
The one I wanted, now I buy it. I did buy it.
You want big slices or small slices?
Big
Okay,
slices.
so I'll just keep it like that. Is that alright?
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna have a protein shake. So this is the Orgain 20 grams plant-based protein shake, 150 calories, so not bad. Enjoy his pizza while I enjoy my protein shake, and I'll see you in the next clip.
Pizza.
Today we pick up our half cow, so we have all the meats that is in here, getting ready for winter into the freezer. So we usually buy half of a cow or a whole cow. We go halves with my in-laws and they get the other half, and then we keep the other half. So today is the day that we pick it up, and Alex pick it up, and now we're gonna rearrange the freezer to get ready for winter. And Aiden's in the background. So we usually get our meat from Jensen Blue Ribbon Processing. They're the one who packed this, but we buy our meat up in the mountains in Colorado. So Alex picked it up. So there it is. This is gonna be our meat for the year. And there's more right here. So you can see this is ground meat. We don't buy our meat in the store, so we buy it this way. And there's all of them. So now, sorry, the garage is so messy because we're trying to rearrange everything. So here they are, repacking everything. So it comes with everything. So this is the fats, and then we have a bunch of bones in here, and then there's liver and some oxtail. What are you doing? We're cleaning up.
Are you done with the freezer? Because I'm. Oh, that's our stuff. So put it in here. That's our stuff. Put it in here as you're going through it.
I'm taking all.
I totally forgot to continue my vlog after I showed you guys about the meat separation that we do, about the half cow we buy every year. And I just had dinner, and I had some shrimp and rice, and I didn't even film about it. I just ate. And then I had leftover sapin. It's like a rice cake that my friend's mom made for me, and it was so good. And I sold a couple of purses in Marketplace, which is great because I bought another one. And I filmed an unboxing or a purse reveal, and that's gonna be probably up before this vlog or maybe after this vlog, either or. So there it is. And I have another purse I need to film, but I haven't had a time to film it. But anyway, this is our Saturday. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey guys, it's Sunday and I just did yoga as usual, and look at this kid is like getting crazy, okay? Here's my other child. Now Meg, what are you doing? She's more excited than anybody. What are you doing? You cannot wait? You cannot wait for me to get inside the house? Huh? Alright, let's go. Let's go. Okay, back home, and I'm making breakfast, lunch, and snacks at the same time. So I had egg, and I put some cayenne pepper in it. And then I have steamed shrimp. Looking good. That's what's going on. Of course, I have rice. So there's rice for you all. I'll share this with Liza when she wakes up. Some cantaloupe juice. We call that melon in the Philippines. So I made them for today. So I just shake the cantaloupe and ice and water. And then we're gonna have my favorite peach mango pie for dessert. And look who's awake. Liza.
Push and pull, don't you know it's my fuel? I'm coming in with the fire that's so unstoppable. I'm taking off, 'cause I'm all I got. And when I'm in my head, I lift it up instead. We gotta beat the game.
We're in the archery range. First full shots. There's another one.
Crazy far.
You did good.
This one like in the dark. I stopped all the way like crazy guys.
Didn't make it. It's such a mess until now. As you can see, we just hop into our car so we don't feel like in the sandstorm. But look at the kids survive. Hurry, babe, hurry! Hurry!
Guys, I told you it was a sandstorm.
We're all the way down.
I said it was a sandstorm.
Okay, that guy gonna brave it.
I bet he's like experienced this like millions of times. Like this is just usual.
That could not escape ride.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Whoa, oh my gosh.
It feels like
Whoa.
we're in a car wash.
Nope. Okay, let's go back.
And he's still there.
He's still collecting this. Wait, where's my bow and arrow?
Go get it, Aiden.
Oh, here it comes again. Here comes the wind again. Oh, he's braving it. He's still gonna shoot.
He's brave.
I wonder if this is a usual or he just like really wanted to shoot.
More people. When I was here by myself, it was just bumping back and forth. Mom, is there cars on the flip over and we're all trying to oof?
No.
Oh. I don't think wind's that strong, even at the worst.
I saw a flag.
Don't do what you're doing.